POV.
Yo,
Home Depot
yo,
run gave me a
yo,
blessing.
yo. Let me tell y'all about my first unique adventure this morning at Home Depot. You see this right here? Now, you know, as a single girl, I don't be going to Home Depot, but people like, you know what? You got to go to Home Depot. So I had to go because I had a project that I had to fix my bed. Yeah, I went in there not knowing what the hell I needed, destroyed everything. But let me tell you something. There is some good guys out there. Chivalry is not dead. That sees a single young female, they gonna get you together. I need y'all to know that. So I went in there. I said, I have measurements. Can I get a piece of wood? He was like, what do you need it for? So we started talking. He sent me back home to go ahead and get the one thing that was good, and he came, and that man, I was in the Home Depot for like 2 hours. That man recreated 4 and 5 beans that I needed, sent me back home with, he pre-drilled them, he got the nails, he did everything, and he was like, the only thing I need you to do is go get a drink. I'm like, okay, you want a drink? Like what you want to drink? He's like, no, go get a drink because this is on me. I said, what? He was like, yeah, this is on me. Shout out to the manager at this store. He helped me because I guess when I went, I was flustered. And he could tell that I was just like disheveled. And he got me all the way together. So he was like, the only thing I want you to do is do a good survey. I said, sir, I'm gonna do that and more because I'm gonna repay his kindness that he gave to me to I'm gonna I'm gonna follow it forward, but I'm also gonna go back and do something good for that man. That man helped me. So when you think that chivalry is dead and there's no good men out there, they are. We just not going where they are. We need to go to the Home Depots, go to church, and go to the cigar bar, and go get us a good man that know about chivalry and said, sis, I got you. And I was like, I spent 2 hours there with him and everything patient, and we going wherever he go, I going. We looking at what we looking at this like it was. My morning was an adventure, but it also showed me that there are good people out there. No matter how many hate or how many disrespectful or how many bad things or people you encounter, there are good people out there that are gonna see you and do good for you. And God blessings, and God put this man in my path today to really do me a solid. Shout out to him. Y'all start going to Home Depot. Chivalry not dead. Period.